that deadhead in Pittsburgh, Washington. Make sure to stay indoors or the angry dad will catch you. Will catch you for good. And the disasters are as followed: fire, explosions, tornadoes, and everything more. So be safe, everyone. And this weather is going to be weird. Yes.
There's explosions too?
Just let me record. And also, be safe until the angry dad will come and beat you up. And you know what I'm talking about. Homer Simpson, the maddest guy ever made by Matt Gronk. And make sure to be safe, okay? Bye. And good night at Pittsburgh. And stay safe, okay?
Oh.